Hi, I'm Jodie from Winrani Pools, and I would love to take you through this project and explain a few things that we do different. At Winrani Pools, we really concentrate on what the client is looking for. So if you're looking for a large pool to fill your space and bring the outside view in, then we definitely have a solution for you. If you only have a small space, that's also no worries. We just have to make sure that we're being very clever when it comes to the landscaping aspects of the home and making sure that we present the pool in a way it's going to complement the house. This pool has been designed to take in the outside aspect of the bay, but also the beautiful architecture and finishes of the home. The pool itself has been designed in a way that really maximizes each square inch of the project. Whether you have a large or small project, if you are a builder, a landscaper, or someone who just wants a beautiful pool in their backyard, we definitely have the right questions that we can ask to get the brief to where it needs to be, and we can really give you some insight on what the pool project is going to entail and what it's going to cost and what the finishes will look like. We pride ourselves on making sure that we are being as communicative as we can. So we'll keep you in the loop from start to finish and make sure if you're a builder that your client is absolutely looked after and being communicated with on the daily basis once we start on site. We absolutely love building pools. I've been in this industry now for 13 years and I can say that I wake up every single day wanting to talk to people about swimming pools, and I cannot wait to speak to you about your next project.